guys, manghuli nami. Today, ngayon naman ko, na dali na. Ngayon lang ko utro, kaya nakasanina naman ko. Mata karon, Tiger Wings! Look, go, tumbok ito. Grabe, saan na lang ko, again. Hi guys. Yung chismis, pagkikin ay nag-vlog. Hi guys, so we're going to... Oo. Sa timing na ganyan sa availability kay katong kang ate kay sa man mo bali kay istorya. Tegal. Hello Philippines, hello world. Ha? Okay lang. We'll wait. Bayad si ate ng Wi-Fi, water and Wi-Fi, I think. So we're just gonna wait here. Siya kasi yung maraming cash. So mag-wait lang ang mga adjumas here. Ni UT. Bay kira, maliit na bagay. Lagi, dili magdumog ang mga. Hi guys, we are here sa Tiger Wings. Meet me at Tiger Wings. Recommended by Ate Gil. Nandito kay Dani, nandito sila ba? It's a young classmates. And it's really a very yellow place. It's my favorite color. Na ang mga Juma nga nag-order. Juma nga nag-order. Nabisa kong isa. Hi mga mamshies. Anong giubog ko? Going kami sa airport. So, mauna ni siya. Difficult part of being his mom. So, aside having perks, na ay difficult part. So, ako nang gibiyaan na po si ate dito sa iyang life. Then he's sa Manila and always praying for good health for ate. And then on the other hand, I'm also excited to go back home kay ang mga little boys may gahulat ni mama sila sige na ingon og where is mama. Ayun, anyway si ate will hopefully na siya, makabook na siya flight. She will come home during her birth week. Ayun, so that we can celebrate together. So, I think that's it for this Unlimited series UST anniversary tour. And see you guys in our next video of having perks of being Gift's mom. Bye.
I fall